Yes, the red, girl. Look at that. So welcome back to Wigmas. You guys know I'm already excited. So today's wig comes to us from Sam's Beauty, and it is from the Shear Muse collection. Now the name of this one, I want to say it's Ronae or maybe Ronae, I'm not sure. But girl, look at this color, okay? Take a moment of silence for the red. I think I saw this wig being reviewed by Miss Chrissy. Y'all know she's one of my faves, and I really think she reviewed this one. I'm not really sure. I got to go back and see because I haven't watched so many videos lately. But when Sam's Beauty reached out to me about this wig, this little wig right here, honey, I was like, yes, ma'am. Give it to me, and I want a bright color because the edges, the hairline on this is flawless, okay? Flawless. Okay, so you get only about maybe 2 inches in the front, inch in the front, 2 part, but honey, that's all you need when it comes to this cute little wig. As you guys can see, I already knew how I was gonna do it. I said I'm gonna do this in a flip over. I'm gonna put me a couple edges down, honey. I'm gonna put a little mousse on this, and I'm gonna make this thing look hot, hot, hot. And that is exactly what I did. I went in, I created me some like a little sideburn action here, used some mousse and a little bit of my spray, and definitely I used some of the got to be spray for it to hold. So once I did that, I blow dried it, you guys, and it just came together. I felt like everything came together this night when I was doing the review because this wig was everything. Okay, so I did add a little spray to the lace to get it to tint, but I don't know if I really needed that. I did put you know, like a little bit swoopity swoops on the other side, and then honey, some mousse. If you ain't tell me that I wasn't all that this night, I was in the mirror like, I don't want to take this wig off to review another wig for y'all. But at any rate, this wig is super cute. I do have one little con personally, so stay tuned for some pros and some cons. This is the final look for the hair, and I think it's cute. This side here is kind of choppy underneath. Like, where's the rest of the hair at? This side over here flows better. This back is just really short. I'm not sure how it looks in the back until I turn around. I'm not really sure how it looks in the back, but I get the gist of the hair, and the hairline on it looks really, really good. So for that, I'll say it works or whatever. But yeah, it's cute. It's fun. I mean, it's fun hair. It's something that is, the color on it is pretty. If you want to get a different color, maybe, a natural color, not just like this really red color, of course, it would look cute as well. What's really nice about this is, like I said, the hairline on this is really bomb. Good. They only, they put like, is this 2? Because I know they were doing some that had like a little bit more parting area in the front, so you can make it look real. You could pull it up, into a ponytail or something in the front. I did not lay this side down. I just did like a flip over with it, and that's probably how I wear it. Up in here, I was kind of moving it around like that, kind of having it, wearing it a little messy. But yeah, I think it's cute. It's just these pieces in the back is a little bit too short for me. I don't know if those are 8 inches, I'm guessing, but I'm gonna put some mousse back here and see if that will make them slightly behave. And then this over here, it's like there's no hair there. That's weird. And you get a lot of hair in the front, but none over there. So I was trying to make it more like a bob or whatever. So tame it just a little bit and then have these top kind of going. But yeah, it's cute. Like I said, the hairline on this is really nice, you guys. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you like it in the red. So thanks again to Sam's Beauty for collabing with me during this vlogmas. This is day 2 or 3. I'm not really sure, but thank y'all so much. We are going to have fun all month long. We deserve it. We have survived 2020. Now, God's will, we'll be done survive 2021. So let's go ahead on, let's celebrate all month long, and let's watch these videos. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your women's group, share it with your men's group. I don't care, share it with somebody. Thank y'all for catching the video today. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.